Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Ashley Alessandra, and today we are working on our booties, okay? And of course our legs are an accessory, so they're going to be worked, but the focus are the glutes, and we are staying on the floor. So this may seem low impact, but I guarantee you the burn is high. All right, so mats down, booties up, and let's get to work. Okay, so first we're starting with hip circles to just warm up the hips, okay? We are going to do this twice. Yep, it's already burning. Low impact, but high burn. After this, we're going to take a 20-second break. We're going to work one leg at a time. After these donkey kicks, we're going into pulses. Then we're going to extend into like a hamstring curl. And then we're going to straight and bring it out to the side. So just pay attention. All right, pulse. Extend and bend. I asked for pulse. I asked for a pump, not a cramp. Extend, come on. Stay with me. All right, we have another round of that same combo. Pulse it out. Feel the contraction, feel the tension. My whole booty is on fire. pulses, pulse. After this, we're going to move our feet a bit further on our heels and do glute bridges. next one after this, same thing, but we're gonna add opening the legs for an abduction. Do not rest your glute on that ground. Pulsing next. Yeah, it's on fire. You got this. Come on, keep pushing. Rolling it over. You got child's pose, straight leg, kick back. Let's go. Child's pose, kick. After this, we're moving to the next leg. After this, we have kneeling squats. We're almost there. Pulse it out. Pulse. Tiny, short movement. Squeeze the glutes. Push it back and squeeze. Come on. Work it. Great job. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Don't forget, you can like, comment, subscribe, or share this with a couple of your friends, and your girl Ash will see you in the next video.